Alright, I am going to make a latte. Putting my portafilter on. Hopefully this video comes out decent. It's my GoPro. Okay, we gotta grind our coffee. Double shot. Got the bean grinder going. Alright. You gotta tamp down the coffee grinds. Then just flatten the top of the surface. Next up, we gotta get our coffee creamer and milk. Got some whole milk. I want to fill it up so it's fairly close to the spout. The bottom of the spout. Alright, what coffee creamer do I want to use? French vanilla. Vanilla caramel. Italian sweet creme. Shall use that. Okay, gotta add in some sugar now. Okay, sugar. The background music is an instrumental of the band Agora. So I put in 2 spoons of sugar. Next up, the coffee frothing wand. You want to warm it up a little bit. Get it nice and hot. Alright, it's nice and hot. Now we're gonna froth the milk. I usually go about a minute, so it's nice and steamy and hot. About 25 more seconds. want to clean off the steaming one and then shoot out the milk that's trapped inside. There we go. Keep this machine nice and clean. Lean, mean espresso machine. As you can see, trying to get a good angle. It's my third time using this GoPro. There's the milk. So we gotta pour some in the cup. So we go hot milk on the bottom, espresso in the middle, and a milky foam right on top. So next up is the double shot. Pew, pew. Double shot. See what this bad boy can do. Alright, it's coming out. Wait till it all drips out in the cup. Don't want to waste any coffee. This is my wake-up call. Come on. Alright, that's enough dripping, I think. Alright, we gotta dump out the coffee grinds from the portafilter in the garbage. And we gotta wash this thing. Keep everything nice and new. All it takes is some hot water, and that's it. Alright. Then we gotta flush out any coffee grinds that are stuck up there. Here's halfway through making the latte. Alright. Flushed out. Gotta dump this in the sink. Give this a fast little wash. So we want that nice milky foam froth on top. So what I'm going to do is take my manual frother and just froth it. Create a little vortex. Side to side action. Woo, woo. The whirlpool of milk. Come on in, take a dive. Alright, that should be good. It's nice and frothy. Get that last bit of froth. I want it extra frothy. Woo! That's what I am talking about. Delicious, malicious, and vicious latte. Okay. Latte completed. Let's have a sip. That is amazing. Adios.